In this video, I'll show you how to change your OneXBet promo code. This is very easy, so continue to use channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to change your OneXBet promo code, here's what to do. You are going to log out from your OneXBet account and then come right here and click on registration. On choose registration, there are four options and you're going to take the third option that says by email address. The third option that says by email address is the only option that is going to allow you to receive a bonus. Once you're here, fill in your surname and your name and also your country. Once you're done, create your date of birth, your currency, and also an email address. Put in a valid phone number, and in the box, you're going to fill in a password. To create a password, you're going to use these four requirements. After creating a password, come out to this box here and use the promo code LEOTV. If you use promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $1,000, you're going to receive $3,000 as bonus. Once that's done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Complete your first deposit immediately you reach your account, then you receive your bonus.